Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to reschedule a shift using the Instawork app. Since Instawork doesn't have a direct reschedule option, this video will guide you on how to effectively change your shift without running into penalties. To reschedule, first open the Instawork app and go to the My Shift section. Find the shift you want to change and cancel it through the app. It's important to cancel as early as possible to avoid late cancellation penalties, which can affect your account standing. After canceling, head over to the Find Shifts tab to look for new shifts that fit your updated availability. Use the filters to search by date, location, and job type so you can quickly find suitable shifts. Once you find the right shift, tap Apply or Book Now to secure it. Keep in mind that frequent cancellations or no-shows can lower your reliability rating and may lead to suspension or removal from Instawork. Always try to plan your schedule carefully and communicate any changes promptly through the app. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.